अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्लास 5th सब्जेक्ट द एनवायरमेंटल स्टडीज़ और इसमें टॉपिक है द अर्थ। सब टॉपिक है हाउ माउंटेन्स आर फॉर्मेड। माउंटेन्स आर फॉर्मेड बाय द मूवमेंट इन द अर्थ's crust and it takes millions of years to form. Sometimes the earth's crust get squeezed and form fold mountains. Block mountains are formed when the earth's crust splits and one side is pushed up. Dome mountains are formed when melted rock below the earth's crust slowly forces the land upwards. Volcano. Volcanic action is one of the ways through which mountains are formed. Hot liquid rock often has been forced through cracks in rocks. If it comes to the surface, it may flow out or be blown through cracks in rocks. If it comes to the surface, it may flow out or be blown out. The melted rock, steam and ashes that are forced through a hole in the surface may form a mountain called a volcano. From time to time, some volcanoes pour out hot liquid rock called lava. Usually, the flow of lava from a volcano causes a little harm. However, there have been times when whole cities near active volcanoes have been damaged or destroyed. Some cities have been completely covered by lava. बस आज का सबक ख़त्म हुआ, इसे आगे कल पढ़ेंगे।